guys, my name is Lorraine and is this my... Her name is It.
I guess I was kind of jealous.
Pangalan niya si It. Wait, this is my friend.
Life has
Uy,
this.
magpakita ka. And I'm Tagalog. So eto din guys, Tagalog. Sana maintindihan nyo kasi mga iba English din kahit taga dito lang. Kaya sana maintindihan niya din. Okay guys, this is my friend. And this is mine, si ate. Ate. Na nagtitiktok. So guys, wala lang. Bye!
Come on.
Ay guys, alam niyo ba guys, itong kaibigan ko ay mabait at malapasaya sa amin, magpipinsan at kami magkakaibigan na magkakapatid. Masaya kami na naging kaibigan namin ito si Casel.